How to download and install Binance app on PC. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to download and install Binance app on PC. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and now open App Store on your device. Here, tap on the search bar and search for Binance. You will see the Binance option, so tap on that. And now, if you have previously downloaded the application, you will see the download button with little cloud icon there. So tap on that for the download to begin. And if you have not downloaded the application previously, you will see the Get button. So go ahead and tap on the Get button and enter your Face ID or Apple ID password for the download to begin. Wait for the download to complete, and once downloaded, launch the application by simply tapping on the open option you see there, and this is how you can download and install Binance application on PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.